Hello everyone, take a 10 by 10 centimeter paper, fold it over diagonally as such, once more repeatedly fold it 2 more times. Afterwards, make this curved cut onto it after you've made your triangular-like shape. Now once you open it up, it should look like a spiderweb. Draw lines on it using a ruler and a marker. Now begin to color it in with different colors, as you can see, with different markers. In each of the lines that are there, press it together so that it becomes more pronounced, and then add glue to the center, add a little yerba to the center. Take a 20 by 20 centimeter paper, fold it over horizontally first and half, and then fold over the side. Cut off one of the sides, that is a half portion of the sides, and then draw the head of a bird onto it. Cut out the shape of the head of the bird. As for the back, fold it over multiple times as such, and then join it all together. At the back, make little of these shapes as you can see. Now color them in different colors. We have colored them in red and blue. Now join it together in the center, and then push it upwards on either side. It'll look like the back of a peacock. Take a square sheet of paper, fold it over diagonally. Now open up the fold over either side to make it meet in the center. Now taking the excess of the sides, fold it over onto the other side. Fold one edge downwards, the other edge as well, and then make the zigzag shape. Now taking a marker, make these diagonal lines onto it, and then make a check shape at the bottom. Add little polka dots out of different colors at the top. Next, take a square sheet of paper, fold it over horizontally, and then water clay. Now fold on all four sides to make it meet in the center. Once you're done with this, make a horizontal fold on the top and the bottom end of it as such. Do the same onto the other side as well. Now open up two of the sides and leave two of them folded. Using the patterns that you have created, that is the folds that you have created, make a box-like shape out of it. Fold in one of the sides. Make a cylindrical shape out of some green paper and attach it as a handle. Take a 9 centimeter circular paper, and then afterwards make this triangular shape out of it. Cut off the edge of it. Afterwards, add glue to the center and add a cylindrical shape to it as well. Make multiple slits on one end of it, and then make a little smiley face onto it. Add some glue to the side and then stick it together. Next, take a cup and then make multiple strips out of it, as you can see. Cut off the other sides of the strip. Now, taking the base portion of it, make the markings of a clock, as you can see, and write down the numbers. You may also design it as you please. Don't forget to add the hands of the clock. Do this using a pin. Now, after you're done with this, add little designs onto the wrist portion of your watch. Next, take a cup and then make a door-like shape onto it and color it in. Make a little handle to it as well. Add windows on either side of the door, as you can see, and then color it in using a yellow marker. After you are done with this, you may add little bits of grass using a green marker at the base of the cup. Add little flowers as well. Do this using red and pink dots. Take a blue circular sheet of paper, make a conical shape out of it and stick it to the top. Next, take a cup, make a line at the base of it as such, and afterwards make a line in the middle portion as well. Cut off the thicker edge of it and then begin to make multiple slits from the base of it as such. Flatten it using any sort of flat surface, and in each of the lines that you have created, insert it into the adjacent piece that you have created. Do this until you have no more pieces left and insert one into the other. Add little bow sticking glue to it. Take a cup, cut off the thicker edge of it, and then make multiple slits using the base of this cup as such. Flatten it using any sort of flat surface. Now, using any sort of toothpick or cylindrical object, roll each of the edges towards the center as such. You may do this out of different lengths as well. Now, add a little smiley face in the center and then color it in as you please. Make a cylindrical shape using some green paper and then cut out the shape of a leaf and then add the detailing to it, stick it on either side of it. Thank you for watching.